Hello dear viewers, welcome back to Medchem Companion channel. Today I am going to discuss the stereochemistry of thalidomide. Thalidomide was a drug discovered by German pharmaceutical company for the treatment of nausea and morning sickness in pregnant women. Initially the drug shows prominent result, but in later due course this drug causes a severe birth defect in the newborn, which is known by the name phocomelia. Phocomelia is a birth defect in which the newborn babies are born with their limbs missing, means both hind limb and forelimbs are missing in the newborn. That's why this thalidomide is also known by the name a teratogen. Teratogen means the agent which causes deformation or birth defect in newborn. In later due course, it was found that the thalidomide have two enantiomer, the R enantiomer and S enantiomer, and only single enantiomer, that is S enantiomer, is responsible for its teratogenic activity. So here are the two structure. This is also a thalidomide, this is also a thalidomide. So we will first find out which one is R thalidomide and which one is S thalidomide. So here this is the chiral carbon. This chiral carbon is attached with nitrogen, carbon, and fourth one is hydrogen. So the first priority goes to nitrogen, second goes to this carbon, third goes to this, and fourth goes to hydrogen. So the arrow moves in this fashion, means arrows moves in this fashion. This is your clockwise direction, so configuration may be R, and hydrogen is placed below the plane, so configuration retains. So this is your R thalidomide. Now here again chiral carbon is surrounded by 4 atoms. First priority goes to nitrogen, second goes to this carbon, carbonyl carbon, and third one goes to this carbon. So arrows moves here in this fashion, 1, 2, 3. So this is your anti-clockwise movement. So configuration of carbon may be S. Here hydrogen is placed below the plane, so configuration retains as such. So S. So this is your S thalidomide. Now it was found that this S thalidomide is responsible for its teratogenic activity, and this R isomer is responsible for its sedative effect. Sedative effect means this R thalidomide can be used for the treatment of what? Nausea and vomit, your morning sickness. So in later due course, only the R thalidomide is clinically approved by governing body, and only R thalidomide is used for the treatment of your nausea and morning sickness. This S thalidomide is completely banned. Nowadays S thalidomide is not used for the treatment of nausea and morning sickness. So why there is a difference in activity? The difference in activity is due to stereochemical arrangement of all the functional group around this chiral carbon. Here the arrangement of this molecule have arrangement exactly equal to that of this one. That's why both this molecule shows different activity. So this is all about your thalidomide. In the next lecture we will see another molecule. Thank you.